Welcome back again to SudoZain channel. Today I want to use SQLmap in this CTF, which is provided by Portswigger Labs. So here we have SQL injection vulnerability in where clause allowing retrieval of hidden data. So I'm gonna access the lab. And here we have normal web application. So I'm gonna test it like a normal hunter. And I'm gonna focus on input fields because it's SQL injection. So here I'm gonna explore the page. Okay, here we have some categories. Here we have details. Okay, here we have product ID parameter. And here we have category parameter. I'm gonna test both of them, but I will start with gift one. And here another one. So here we have category parameter. I'm gonna take the URL and test it in SQLmap. The syntax will be something like SQLmap -u and the URL, which is here, and after that --batch. I'm using --batch here because when SQLmap asks me anything, I'm gonna answer yes. In some cases it makes it not accurate, but I used it in this case to let you see how it is usable. So as we see here in the results, the parameter is vulnerable to SQL injection, and we have the payloads here. So now I'm gonna try to dump all the databases by using --dbs and see what will happen. So here in the results we have one available databases, which is public. I'm gonna dump everything from it. So as we see here, it's public database, okay, and we dumped everything from this database. And the table name here called products. So now we know that the category parameter is vulnerable to SQL injection, and now let's try the another parameter, which is product. So let's try testing product parameter. So here, as SQLmap said that this parameter seem to not be injectable. So for now I can solve this lab by testing category parameter only, because the product one, it's not injectable to SQL injection. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next video.